part of the Chilele clothing line here in Richmond. We're looking forward to being a part of the RVA Has Talent Farmers Still Life competition. We're going to donate some clothes to the winner and hopefully see some great art. And you guys should come out and check it out.
I think still life competition is good. I think it's important. This is the first time seeing still life competition out. You know, you'll see mural competition, painting competition, but still life is good. It's a different twist on it. It's a fun way to do some painting. It's really good for the community because again, it brings them out. Art always brings people out to enjoy themselves, and just the conversations people are going to have, the network, and it's absolutely fantastic.
So GRID is excited to work with RVA Has Talent and to feature the winner of the Still Life competition in the upcoming pages of the publication.
How we really are getting involved in the community is through events, whether we appear at events, just promoting our healthy menu. We have a farmers market every fourth Friday with Grow RVA. As a marketing director for Urban Farmhouse, our main focus is to really bring the community to Urban Farmhouse and help out the community whenever we possibly. As a brand, we're very excited to continue our partnership with RVA Has Talent and Grow RVA. We'll kind of be fostering our values of, you know, local artists, and we get to implement our great space at Churchill as well by having our meeting rooms as kind of